Hello. We're gonna be doing a repair on this shingle right here. You can see the tabs that the window gets slid down.
Oh man. There he goes, yo.
Yeah, but you can see we're gonna be replacing this shingle right here. So yeah, we're just gonna hop right into it, right? So unseal the man. There we go. See that part? Now we're gonna come up here to this shingle. And we're gonna try to be very gentle.
It's so brittle, man.
It is very brittle. Where's it begin? All right, let's go right here.
Careful as one can be, y'all, but as you can see,
it is very, very brittle. Not really. Oh, man. As y'all can see,
tumbleweed, y'all, was gone with the wind.
Gone with the wind. All right. Is that? Unseal this shingle as well to get that. That should be good. You can see right here where it tore. It's kind of just falling apart, honestly. Got this one unsealed. Now we need to come up here and get this one unsealed. Gentle as we can. This thing is just super brittle. You can see right here where that ripped as well. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
How it's kind of just ripped.
Going right through, right at the exposure. Crazy.
So we're gonna come here. We got this one unsealed. And we got this one unsealed, this one unsealed, and this one unsealed. Perfect. Right there. Want to use the roof snake?
Oh. Y'all see that? Caught that glimpse.
Y'all see that?
The snake in full effect.
Full
Boom.
effect.
Do it for the thumbnail.
Do it for the thumbnail. Can you hold this?
Yes, sir.
All right, and now we're gonna be as gentle as possible, but we need to definitely show a willingness to want this to pass the repair. All right, gotcha. That one up. And as you can see, just by lifting it up a little bit, you can already see we're starting to tear right there. Just tore again. We gotta be. You can see the granules falling off as well. Again, it's kind of just falling apart. We gotta locate this.
As y'all can see, we're not lifting it too high at all. Keeping it well below that 45-degree angle.
Well below the 45-degree angle. And we are, as you can see, just being very gentle with it, as one can be when doing a repair. Where's it at? Those ones out. Now we just need to come up here. You know, as you see, that is nice and flush.
Ooh,
it's not overdriven. Oops. It is falling apart.
It's tearing right through it.
It's crumbling. As you can see, it kind of just pulls in. Go right there. There's another one. There we go. Okay, a little easier. Again,
The old roofs are tricky.
and we don't want to lift it up too high. Again, as you see, it just
Right there, yeah,
rips.
ripped right through where his finger's showing.
And again, this is without. This is without lifting it up. Really at all. We're barely lifting it up.
Finger difference between.
Okay. Well, there goes
Oh
that
man.
half. Here goes the half.
Golly.
So, old shingle out.
Man.
Get down. You got pieces falling off. Very brittle shingle.
See, that's a twofer right there. What started out as one. It's toast because it's done.
Now we're gonna go right here. A new shingle. Slide that up. Right. Right there. Make sure it's lined up. Lined up nice. Alright. And even for reasonable appearance, as you can see, this is a discontinued shingle. It's the closest match we can find.
Exposure is like way wider. Just even the length.
Alright. That hammer?
There you go.
Alright, so let's do this.
Golly, that overlap.
It's overlapped. Again, we're not lifting it up too high because I want to show willingness to make this pass. We're using the roof snake.
Granules just bouncing off the roof.
Granules bouncing everywhere. Not to mention again, this piece right there that is ripped off already. And a couple other tears
And a cookie, y'all, but it's crumbling.
It's crumbling like a cookie. A crumble cookie.
Hold the milk.
I know that's right. Alright. Boom. You got that.
Y'all see them granules?
You see the granules. You hear the granules. Again, we're using the roof snake. So that as to not lift up the shingles too high. Lifting up the shingles too high, you know, not what we're about.
That's right. I'll show y'all right there. Just enough to get the snake under there
Just
with the
enough
nail.
to get the snake under there with the nail.
Y'all can see in this video, granules falling in.
And again, you can see right there where it's ripped. You can see that.
Sir.
You got it.
Yes, sir.
And
That's just from trying to refasten this shingle down, y'all.
this is so. See how much that ripped? I don't know if my shadow's in it, but you can see that.
Get a nice zoomed in view.
All right, we'll come right here like this. Put that right there. Want to make sure this is nice and flush. And as you can see, again, you can see where that roof snake was. We'll get a close up at the end as well. But you can see where the roof snake was. The outline of it, as you can see, it just kind of, the shingles crumbled. So we got 4 more nails to put in. It's already failed, but we're gonna do a complete repair. Show the whole process through and through.
Oh, so many granules of chalk missing.
Again, we're trying to. This is where the previous nail hole was, and you can see it's just ripping. It's just. absolutely ripping. It's very brittle. Alright, so you see that? Rip,
Yes, sir.
rip. This whole chunk right there has been ripped. Again, I don't want to beat a dead horse, but we're being very gentle.
We're just gonna do the repair and beat a dead roof. Gone. No life left in these shingles.
There's no life left.
No pun intended, yeah.
All right.
Take this thing to the morgue.
So it's nice and flush. Bingo. Now we're gonna go ahead and go from here to where that nail hole used to be. Again, you can see where that was. It's just absolutely deteriorating. Definitely not in the best condition. Again, just trying to the slipping like even with the cooler pads on. Again, we're just trying to lift it up to put it in that previous nail hole. Being very gentle with it. And again, so that's all 4 of them. But as you can see, right here, you see where it's ripped, and tore. Oh, oops. So right there has failed. Again, you see that area right there. You see that area right there. Both of those ripped. You see that area right there was ripped.
I'll get a close up on that for y'all real quick.
Not to mention where the nail pull through was. What else? Right here on this shingle, another rip. You got cougar paws on. You can
Get that slippage for y'all.
You can hear my foot. Another spot right there from where the roof snake was, where it chipped away at it. Another rip right there. Let's move over here. Small rip right there. Still a rip. So as you can see, we got this shingle, this shingle. This shingle, we won't even count that because just there's no point, because we have this damage right here, this damage right here, this damage right here, and this damage right there. So as you can see,
Get y'all a nice little overshot.
you also watch this. You can see the granules that got knocked loose. Right here, more creasing. You can see where those granules got knocked loose at. It's definitely it's just not repairable.
Get y'all a nice overshot.
Show the willingness to make it pass.
You can see all these different areas where it's tore up. Got tears, creases at the top.
Rips, creasing, really everything. So again, thank you. We'll get some good close-up pictures of like this rip right here, this rip right there. I'm sure y'all see it in the video. But thanks for watching, and hope y'all have a great rest of your day.